Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me, Jaden. I'm back with another video. So today we're playing some, some Cash Grab Simulator. But first thing I want to say is make sure to subscribe, like the video, turn on post notifications. So let's get right into it. So we already have one rebirth. Upgrade. We could get like, it's actually very tricky for me because sometimes I won't be able to do it. Most of the time I can, so. What the heck? Actually, let's try on my friend's VIP server. It's much quicker. Ah! One second. Now. Wait a minute. Oh, wait. Oh, I get it. But let's actually buy some cash. Just like, wait, actually. Here, be right back. I'm gonna get some code. Alright, guys, I found all the codes. Alright. 12M_MILE stone. So 12M underscore milestone. It doesn't exist. Oh, then that one must haven't come out yet. It's probably still updating. 1 second. Alright. Second one is cash for gold. And I already redeemed cash for life. I already redeemed that one too. Cash for life. No caps, by the way. This is all the codes. And coffee. Oops. Wait. Yeah. Underscore infusion. One, and as you see, it won't grow up my money, you see, but it expired. I think all of them expired now. But let's try all the rest. Underscore infusion 2. Okay. Wait, can't I just copy and paste it? No. By the way, guys, I don't think they work, but let's try the last one. So, underscore 2 underscore laser 1785. It doesn't exist anymore. Okay, but that's all the codes. But we're still gonna. That's not all we're doing. Today we're gonna try getting to about like 100K, or like we're gonna get to 100K. And we'll try. Because we need to, guys. We gotta get it. Oh, sorry. I wasn't paying attention. Alright. I haven't been doing a vlog in a while, so you guys are gonna see that coming up soon. Alright, okay, my dog stepped on my keyboard. That's okay. Let's see. Nah. This stuff actually does cost a lot, if you think about it, so for 1 minute goes on overdrive, causing the tier customers to spawn everywhere. Buying multiple stacks will cause the world to stay in overdrive longer. Wait, what? 1 second. For 1 minute, the world goes on overdrive, causing higher tier customers to spawn everywhere. Buying multiple stacks. Oh wow. Well, I'm gonna be running out of rope. My builder's club is expiring today, guys, so. All I'm seeing are noobs. Alright, guys. Let's go get some more customers. Once my backpack fills up, I'm not gonna empty it until I have it full, and then I'm gonna have all the customers I need. So I'm actually gonna wait until those two are done. So then, actually no, let's just go and get some right now. Oh, I'm getting myself for sure. Oh, another one of me. Alright, I don't even know what this is, so. Alright, guys, we're almost there. Sorry, my voice is messed up. And yesterday I hit my head on the couch, but it was beneath it, so I'm trying to let that fix up. What can we get? Isn't, yeah, but, whoa. Oh, wait, isn't there a bank for me? Oh no, it won't show. But dang, we're getting this. Oh my god. If it's not this episode, it's the next one. Because I'm not going to stop playing. And then once I have like close enough and we'll start recording again or something, I'm just going to like start playing. And then once I have like 100k, we're going to get 40k in the episode. We have to get it, guys. Yo, it's not going to be this episode. What am I doing? I already passed it. Alright guys, we're gonna see whoever has like close to 100,000, whoever has like 100,000, I'm gonna give, and they donate it to me, then I'll give them a shout out. I'll put their YouTube channel in my description. Yeah, this server won't help. I wish I had VIP. That would be way better if I had VIP. Oh, perfect. Let's see. Be right back. Guys, so I guess we failed it. We can't do it. We can't get somebody to. This guy was at like 100k, but he just spent it all. Thanks for following be in my and the ending of my vid. Alright guys, we're about to end it off as soon as I see him. The Ben guy. So be right back so I can end it off with him. So, where did he go? Oh yeah, so there he is. Shout out to Ben, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Shout out to him, and see you guys in the next one. So, peace.